In this screening tutorial, we will be looking for recent IPOs that are currently trading below their offering price, but favored by analysts and have upside. In order to narrow down our universe, our first step is going to be using our Modify Equity Universe button. And in order to narrow down the list by recent IPOs, we can actually do that within our Events tab. Everything here is event focused, and you can choose specific timeframes related to those events. Here we'll go with the last year. So we'll take everything that's IPO'd within the last year as our starting universe. And our next step is going to focus on stocks that are trading below the price that the initial offering occurred at. And in order to do that, we're going to add a metric filter. So we'll input price as our first metric, use our drop down, select less than, and we'll use the IPO offering price as that second metric. So anything that's currently trading below that IPO offering price is going to be included within our universe. So now we have 36 results. Our next step is going to be taking a look at upside. So we want to see exactly which of these stocks have a price target that's currently higher than their current price. So the next step will be adding a metric filter once again. And here we'll use price target as our first metric. We want the price target to be greater than the current price. Go ahead and submit that. And now we've narrowed that down to 18 results. So aside from using filters, one thing that we can do to help our analysis process is add a metric column. We have a dedicated price target upside metric, which will easily allow us to analyze the remaining results. So we'll use price target upside. You see it here, we'll select that and add that column. Now we can actually sort by that to see which stock has the highest upside. And one additional tip that I'd like to share would be adding a metric column for market cap. So some of these may be smaller companies. It's always nice to bring the market cap in here to simply have an idea of how large those companies may be. That wraps it up for today's tutorial. Please reach out to your support representative or visit YCharts.com if you need any further support or have any additional questions.